In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson EcoTank ET-3700 series printer on your Windows device, laptop, tablet, PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-3700 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an Epson domain that says Epson ET-3700 and then support. Go ahead and select that to open up that link. And then you should see a picture of the printer up at the top. And just scroll down underneath downloads and select the operating system drop-down. Select your appropriate or correct version of Windows from the list here. And then you would select go. If you scroll down again, there should be a driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that item. And then once it's done downloading to your system, go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher. Should say Epson. Go ahead and select yes. And then proceed with the installer that you see on my screen here. It's a pretty intuitive process with this wizard. You may want to make sure your Wi-Fi credentials are properly put onto your printer. So make sure your printer is powered up. Make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi unless you're using a wired connection, in which case you can just follow through with the on-screen directions here. But you would want to do that regardless, again, like walking through the steps. But it's a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to actually do it. So like I said, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.